Let's talk about the programming languages for 2025. First up is a Python. It remains the king of programming language because it's super versatile, beginner friendly, and powers some of the most exciting technologies out there, including data science, machine learning, web development, and automation. In 2025, AI is only getting bigger, and Python is the go-to language for AI and machine learning projects. However, learning Python isn't just about landing your first job, it's about staying relevant throughout your entire career. Next up, we have a Java. Some might think Java is outdated, but in reality, it remains a core language in many industries. It powers banking systems, healthcare platforms, e-commerce sites, and more. While Kotlin is often considered a better alternative, Java's ecosystem, but tools and strong community make it difficult to replace. Many companies still rely on Java for its stability and scalability, to making it a solid choice for job security. Additionally, for those interested in Android development, Java continues to be a reliable option. Now let's talk about JavaScript. Whether you are love it or hate it, JavaScript is anywhere. Over 98% of websites use JavaScript, and it's essential for front-end development, back-end development, and even mobile development. Some may question why learning JavaScript is necessary with AI tools like ChatGPT generating code. The reality is that AI can assist, but developers still need to understand, review, refine, and tweak the code for a specific projects. Would you let AI write a legal contract for selling your house without reviewing it with a lawyer? Probably not. The same applies to code. If you want to take JavaScript to next level, TypeScript is the perfect upgrade. It adds static typing, which helps catch bugs early, improves maintainability, and makes working on large projects much easier. More companies are adopting TypeScript in 2025 to boost productivity and reduce errors. The best part is that if you already know JavaScript, learning TypeScript is easy and can be done in about a month. I also have tutorials on this topic if you are interested. Now let's talk about SQL. It may not be flashy, but it's an essential skill for every tech professional. Whether you are working with the data or building software, SQL is crucial for managing databases. AI is exploring, which means demand for data is at all-time high. AI relies on data, and SQL is the key to working with it. Even if you are specialized in other programming language, knowing SQL gives you an edge and is a must skill in your toolkit. Last but definitely not least, we have a C and C++. While they might be together to learn, there's reason they remain popular. C++ is all about speed and control, making it the foundation of a game engine, high frequency trending systems, automotive technology, robotics, and real-time simulations. If you are interested in a cutting-edge technology, C++ is a worth your time. And there you have in the top programming languages to learn in 2025. Whether you are just starting your coding journey or looking to level up your skill, these languages open doors to amazing opportunities. Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, SQL, and C++ each have unique strengths, so choose the one of the best aligned with your goals.